If you're using Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains and you're still using Excel spreadsheets to track your inventory and production, then you're being held back. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, you have full visibility across all your manufacturing operations and how they tie into your financials. So when you're selling an item to a customer, you're able to see the whole chain of activities that led to creating that item and the exact cost of goods once you make that sale. So understanding the full visibility across your production and not just something at the end of the month that's going to give you inventory visibility. In Great Plains, you're often stuck with these month-end batch updates or month-end cost updates. With Business Central, you have all of this data real-time at your fingertips, so you can make the decisions that you need to for your business. If inventory and manufacturing is at the heart of your business, then don't let Dynamics Great Plains hold you back. Make the update today.